Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and this plant is called a Dwarf Mexican Petunia. It is what I call a flame-proof plant. The hotter it gets, the drier it is. It is just happy as can be. It'll eventually get maybe a foot or so tall. It does fill in and it does spread a little bit. The original, the non-dwarf variety, that one spreads a lot. It's kind of like bamboo. You don't want that plant. This one is not nearly as aggressive, but it is somewhat. So you want to make sure that you have it in an area where you can allow it to spread a little bit. But it has these beautiful blooms to them, very much like petunias. It is a great plant to use if you want a dwarf plant that you could put in the foreground somewhere. It is deciduous, or it's a perennial, so it's going to die back to the ground, and then it's a little late coming out in the springtime because it does like really warm weather. But it is a very reliable plant to use. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share these with your friends and family. You can also subscribe to our quick tip emails. Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.